When Mr. Ward first assigned this project, he told us to pick something that we would be interested in. So naturally, I chose a book that had a lot to do with what I am always thinking about, and Bonk was a perfect choice. As if it's not obvious already, I am always thinking about topics related to sex somehow. Bonk, man, what a book. It was by far the most enjoyable book I have ever read in my entire life. Not only was it just flat out amazing, but it had multiple direct connections to biology. We've all been in this position before. Just kidding, Lord. But the truth is that sex is just a part of life, and Bonk made it incredibly enjoyable to read about. Not to mention Mary Roach's discussion on reproduction, the brain, anatomy, ecology, and the endocrine system. The G-spot. That was easy. Ah, the ever-elusive G-spot. Being one of the chapter titles, this chapter was completely on the woman's G-spot, which is of course anatomy, so it's completely appropriate. The Immaculate Orgasm was another lovely chapter. It's amazing to learn about what an orgasm actually is and the different bodily functions going on between the two different partners. Ecology is the study of the interactions between organisms, of the interactions between organisms, and boy oh boy does sex have interaction, at least according to Masters and Johnson, because none of us would know. The clitoris. Thought by many to be the lady's boner. But is it actually the lady's boner? Well, a boner on a man, Mary Roach went on to say, is the condition of a man's penis when full of blood. So not exactly, but rather, once again, a part of the woman's anatomy. Which again relates to biology. An entire chapter in Bonk was related to sex toys, such as this vibrator here. Vibrators trigger arousal in females via the reticular formation, which is a part of the brain. The reticular formation then tells the endocrine system to secrete hormones. The entire book continues time and time again to relate back to a common theme of reproduction. And when you finally get down to it, the fact that we exist today is because of your parents doing the nasty about 17 years ago.